Discord broke my heart because Discord broke my old mobile UI trick in the worst way possible. But Discord is also working on some pretty swank experiments that I, Discord's biggest critic, actually find pretty good. Now let's start off with Discord breaking my heart. Now, whether you're on Discord every single hour or just once a week, you probably noticed that Discord has a improved, in air quotes, mobile experience. The app looks completely different and people absolutely hate it. In fact, people hate it so much that they're willing to go on r/Discord app and celebrate the fact that the app dropped below 3 stars on the Play Store. Yes, if you go to Discord and you look at the Play Store, it has 2.9 stars. But guys, I need to make it really clear. Review bombing Discord isn't like a genie in the bottle. This isn't going to magically do something. And it's time for me to stroke my ego here because, in fact, I am the magic genie in the bottle. Because what I did is I made a video where you could get Discord's old mobile UI back. And in fact, 573,000 people watched this tutorial. People want Discord's old mobile UI back. And with this video, people got what they wanted. There was peace in the land of Discord. But then the peace was disturbed. There was a war, and it all started with this Reddit post. It finally happened to me. They got the new mobile UI. But then the war escalated. My sacred temple, my Discord server, started getting spammed with messages that the UI on their phone just randomly updated. But nah, it did not stop there, my dear viewer. In fact, my courier was absolutely flabbergasted with the amount of DMs I received. It turns out the devil's domain froze over. If you go to the page, which I included in the tutorial, which showed you how to revert to the old layout, you can see the snippet no longer works. In fact, what happened in this dear sacred day, February 9th, 2024 at around 8 p.m. UTC, Discord decided to flip the experiment, mobile redesign override toggles, and by Discord removing this experiment, they made this video null and void. All right, I've composed myself after years of crying, but how did Discord patch this in the worst way possible? Well, here's the thing. Discord was working on something that was actually good. I know, surprising. And by the way, I'm on Discord Experiment Hub. I'll have it linked in the description, but they were working on an experiment for the mobile app called Swipe to Reply. Again, this is an experiment, but it's something that would make everyone happy for the first time this year. I know Valentine's Day came up and everyone was real sad and depressed and lonely, but this was the highlight of February because this experimental feature, Swipe to Reply, would allow you to turn off Swipe to Reply. If you turned it off, if you swiped right to left, it would open the members list. Now, I went to my mobile device, which I use for Tinder to get no matches and for therapy, and I went to the Discord app and I looked through my settings, and believe it or not, this option was not there. And you would assume that if Discord was to ruin this experiment, basically ruin this patch that everyone wanted, I'm moving my mouse, you can tell I'm angry. But considering Discord removed this, you would assume they would maybe add this feature to make everyone happy, but no, that's not how logic works at Discord. You gotta make people more upset. So Discord, could you just like add this in the app already so I don't have to complain about the mobile UI anymore? Thank you. Oh, and Discord, while you're at it, I ignored this person's DM for like probably 5 days or something. Actually, it's 6. Allow people to turn off haptics. Anywho, it's not a Friday news video if we don't get down and nerdy. So instead, get rid of that. We're gonna look at some Discord experiments. And let me tell you, while I organize my tabs, you're in for an absolute treat today because Discord's cooking up some features that I'm just gonna gush over. And if you ever feel lonely, just pretend you're this Discord feature and I'm gonna be gushing over you and oh, you're gonna feel so nice and warm inside. Please cut that. Can't have the femboy coming out yet. Now, the first experiment I'm gonna talk about is hide member list activities, which before I enable it, I need to show you what it does. You need a before and after. That's kind of how things work. So I'm gonna go to Discord Town Hall and we could see all of these Discord users on the right. They have a whole bunch of statuses. You're playing Roblox, man? Come on, Bubba Joey01. You should be playing Fortnite like Beatty. Anyways, you can see that all these people are playing games and they have statuses, but this hide member list activities, this is a minimalist's not dry dream. I had to be creative with my words there. But when you enable this experiment, we go back. This is our Discord member list. You see, it's ugly. It's got a whole bunch of crap. But if I hide it and show it, oh my goodness. Bubba Joey's not playing Roblox. Beatty's not playing Fortnite. This is clean. I genuinely really like this feature. And yes, it does ruin the cool factor of having a custom status on your Discord profile, which I've made tons of videos about. But again, the members list just looks so much cleaner. Discord, marvelous, beaucoup, fantastissimo. Discord, this is beautiful. C'est beau. Discord, I will send you a love letter if you put this in the application. What's the next experiment I'm going to talk about? Boom, the shop. Yes, I'm leaking the shop again. Discord's probably going to hire a hitman or something for me. But we have collectible shop marketing experiments elements. I could like tease the word elements, but if you just wait 10 seconds, you'll see how it is. But we have two options. One of them looks cool and the other doesn't. We're going to go with the cool one. So when I enable this cool experiment and we press escape and we go to our Discord homepage, let me get the framing right on this zoom. Which, you see that? Shop has a new collection. My fellow high elves of the Mages Guild, you can harness the elements of fire, water, earth, wind. Which will you unleash? Now, I want to point out that this is actually a really cool pop-up because every time you hover over it, it changes. When Discord puts in like good effort, you can tell. Now, what happens when I click on this deer shop to see what is available from my deer merchants? Womp womp. I can't show you. Psych, boy, you thought like shit. Because I'm in the Bad Boy Discord Experiments Hub, which I've already told you that is linked in the description. Screw it. Put the pop-up in again. Editor, link in the description. But they have the collectible shop. We have elements. We have 3 different avatar decorations. Rock Slide, Vortex, and Mastery. And no, you don't have to look at photos. We can see videos of it. Thank you to FireGlitch64 for getting this. Earth, wind. I'm passing wind right now, but the microphone isn't picking it up. And finally, Mastery. It's Mastery because he got all the elements. This is Avatar: The Last Airbender. Now, it's not a Discord Experiments video if I don't think of a magical conspiracy theory, and I want to point out that we've only seen avatar profile effects so far. I got my words messed up there, forgive me. But if we go back and look at that shop page that I was looking at, we can see that Discord has the art done for avatar decorations. It's a pretty good water one. This is a pretty good earth one. The fire one, sure, actually that's pretty good. And then you got winds. So those silly little data miners found the profile effects, but I'm pretty sure these are going to be the avatar decorations in the drop. And when is this going to come out? Well, probably when the Lunar New Year thing ends. I don't want to do the math, you do it yourself. Now, if you thought Avatar was the only mid-2000s anime reference I was going to make in this video, well, you're dead wrong, because Discord is working on a new experiment. Well, it's not new, they're updating the experiment, Guild Member Mod View. And this experiment is Discord giving us Discord mods the Yu-Gi-Oh! Dual Disc, baby. If you go to the Discord members view, this is where you get to see all your cool members, and I have one particular person I don't like. Is this dude impersonating my alt account? Damn, he's down bad.
Anywho, when I click on a member, boom, you've activated my trap card. I can now analyze every single move you've made in my Discord server.
But this is the mod tab for Discord users, and you can see what people do on your server, the mod view. You can see how many messages they send, how many links, how many media, and you can click on it and go directly to their links, which actually, that's really good. But then you also have permissions, so you get to see if they have any moderation permissions, which is good if someone might be trying to raid your server. You can see what roles they have and add roles directly. This part down here is a little bit old, but if they pass verification, agreed to the rules when they joined Discord, how they joined in the join method. But this is something I haven't seen before. We have the moderation action log, where you can see if automod popped up from someone's messages, which I've conveniently done to show you this example. But whether you understand it or not, this view is actually really helpful. When random new people join your server, you can just close this tab and you can click on their profile and see if they've done anything bad. This person hasn't talked at all. Panda, you're a lurker, and I'm calling you out right now. You gotta stop lurking. You gotta start chatting. Embrace the Discord. Embrace the anime girl. Now, the final Discord experiment we're going to look at before I let you leave my basement for the weekend is Nitro Custom Emoji Perk Roadblock. Remember, roadblocks are a suggestion if you're drinking and driving. But this experiment is basically Discord giving you the broke alert meter. If you don't have Discord Nitro and you go to the emoji picker, you will see that Discord says, "Nuh-uh, boyo, you can't pick any of these emojis. They're blocked. You aren't a little shy boy that will be a pay pig to Discord." Actually, wait, hold on. I can't be saying that because I'm on my alt account, because my main Discord account has Nitro for a year. I have fallen so far. But with this experiment, Discord makes it extremely clear that all of these emojis are locked. You cannot use them if you don't have Discord Nitro. And even if you try scrolling, it's going to shove Nitro down your throat like SpongeBob giving Squidward that pill. Anywho, gamers, I'm going to wrap my walls and floor in aluminum foil to pretend I'm Squidward from the SB129 episode. Anyways, bye-bye. I love you. Mwah!